Hello everybody, we're looking at the newest Cobra 29LXBT. This radio is going to have the everything that they have now. The night watch lettering, has a weather receiver built in, and now also the Bluetooth for hands-free operation. This radio is for Robert in New Jersey, and it's a tune-up report. Just a tune-up. Looking at the power at the top scale there is 1 through 10. Coming in just a little over 5.5 watts to carrier. I got 50 watt slug here, so we're going to read the power right in the middle. That's 30. That's 20.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Regular 9 for radio check.
Yeah, working.
Thank you very much.